This special report on your vehicle's data is presented by Standard Motor Products. Visit SMPYourCarYourDataSweepstakes.com for more information and to register to win a $500 shopping spree from WeatherTech.
These days, many people consider their cars to be their safe havens, their sanctuary. Did you know that your car is actually spying on you? You probably already know that your phone, your computer, heck, even some running shoes are constantly collecting and storing information about you. Most of today's vehicles are doing it too. Most newer model vehicles collect data and send it wirelessly and surreptitiously to the vehicle manufacturer. Your vehicle gathers details you might want to keep to yourself, including things like how you drive, including your steering, acceleration, and braking habits, when your car needs repair and maintenance and what should be done, vehicle health, including fuel use, emissions, and engine hours, even your exact location. And it's not just the occasional check-in from your car to a benign server. Today's modern vehicles collect as much as 25 gigabytes an hour. It hasn't always been like this. For years, members of the auto care industry have been able to access customers' onboard computers to get data to help with maintenance and repair. However, because of advanced technologies, that vehicle data is now transmitted wirelessly and sent directly only to vehicle manufacturers, which denies technicians the ability to do their jobs. For vehicle manufacturers, they're the only ones who have direct access to and control of your car data. That means they could get control of who gets the data. For vehicle owners, this means greater inconvenience, greater costs, and fewer maintenance and repair options. Auto Care Association and the Automotive Aftermarket Suppliers Association have developed the Your Car, Your Data, Your Choice initiative to showcase the aftermarket's role in helping to increase awareness regarding vehicle data and its impact on consumers. 71% of consumers believe car owners have access to their car data. They're wrong. Visit yourcaryourdata.org today to read the Driver Bill of Rights, learn more about the data that OEs are getting without your permission, and let your elected officials know where you stand. Your car, your data, your choice. Make it today.
Find out how you can win a $500 shopping spree from WeatherTech by visiting SMPYourCarYourDataSweepstakes.com.